Einstein once said, "Ask questions like a child. When we think like a child, things become simpler." Before the birth of MAXHUB, we studied hundreds of conferences in order to find out what people truly need for a meeting. First of all, a conference board should make writing convenient and productive, while not asking people to change their own writing habits. For instance, we found that people are more used to erasing by hand. That's how we had this hand erasing function in MAXHUB. We had been working on ports that satisfy all connection cables. Until one day, we suddenly realized cables are really making things complicated. So why cables? And then we had MAXHUB wireless screen sharing. Back then, the problem of screen sharing delay was what troubled MAXHUB the most. Every millisecond move is actually very difficult. Our people worked day and night for 2 months, and finally brought it down from 300 milliseconds to 19 milliseconds. Scrubs are important for conferences. However, I don't think people love being the meeting scrub. MAXHUB supports meeting recording and file sharing. After the meeting, just scan the QR code and you are ready to go. But MAXHUB wants more than this. The next target is device design. We want our conference panel to be thinner, taking up less space in conference room with aesthetically appealing design. We figured we might use unilateral light technology to make MAXHUB thinner. But the problem of the heat dissipation remained. For big-size interactive panels, unilateral backlight could greatly help with stability and reliability. However, it is easier said than done. But MAXHUB always wants some breakthrough. We started from the heat dissipation problem. After going through more than 20 solutions in half a year, conducting thousands of experiments on thickness, materials and temperatures, we finally made it happen. The ultra-thin MAXHUB conference board. We would never forget the moment when the breathing light is on. When the world witnesses MAXHUB, a conference platform that embeds all our thoughts, welcomed by more and more corporates, inspiring the potentials of individuals and brings values to teams. We could not forget, because our dream came true. Ask questions like a child. Think bottom up and change.
MAXHUB